my channel! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng MAJA Blanca, my first love dessert. And if you're interested with this recipe, please keep on watching! So una, kuha muna tayo ng mixing bowl and pagsamahin natin ang ating mga ingredients. Let's combine 500 ml or 2 cups coconut milk. Let's set aside 1/4 cup coconut milk for Latik. Then we'll add 1 can evaporated milk. At i-transfer natin ito sa isang saucepan or kaserola. We also need 1 cup cornstarch and we will add this gradually while stirring. Do you want to know why this is my first love dessert? Growing up in province, sikat or usong-uso yung MAJA Blanca sa any occasion, especially on birthdays. So, nung bata pa ako, ito yung unang-una kong natutunang lutuin na dessert. So, marami din akong failures. May times na hindi ko siya na-perfect until na-perfect ko siya. This is also the time I discovered my love for cooking. We'll also add 1 can Whole Corn Kernel. So, na-drain na ito. Hindi mo kailangang isama yung sabaw. So, we also have here 1 cup grated cheese. But this is optional. Yung iba hindi naglalagay ng cheese. So, this is just to balance the sweetness. Hindi ko nilagay lahat, so nag-iwan ako ng pang-toppings. And we also need 1 cup white sugar. And haluin lang natin hanggang sa ma-dissolve na yung asukal. Ready na ang ating mixture. Pwede na tayong magluto. So, lulutuin natin ito sa low fire. And haluin lang natin ito hanggang sa ito'y lumapot. So, paano malalaman kung luto na yung ating MAJA? Malalaman mong luto na yung ating MAJA mixture kapag hindi mo na siya mahalo. So, mahirap na siyang haluin. Yung tipong hindi mo na talaga siya mahalo. Basta yun.
A few moments later.
So, ito-transfer natin ito sa isang molding container. Then we can now add our favorite toppings. So, we have a lot of options for toppings. So, you can be creative or festive. So, I have here toasted coconut milk curd or Latik. So, ito yung 1/4 cup na tinabi natin kanina na coconut milk. So, meron din tayo ditong raisins, toasted desiccated coconut, and grated cheese. pwede rin kayong maglagay ng crushed peanut. There you have it, guys! My first love dessert, Maja Blanca. So, pwede natin itong ilagay sa ref and iserve natin after an hour. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section below. And for more videos and recipes, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka every time I upload videos. Thanks for watching! Bye-bye!